Hi everyone, welcome to Quick Tips with Careervues. I am Nancy. Today in this interesting video, I'm going to talk about the most high paying jobs worldwide. So let's begin. The lowest on my list is lawyer. You can choose a specialization in your stream, and based on your specialization, you can make a good amount of money per year. The next on my list is marketing manager. Undoubtedly, marketing is the most upcoming trend. There is no sales without showing yourself. So marketing is another caught on thing. If you become specialized marketing manager, you could make a good sum of money. Next on my list is petroleum engineer. With the skyrocketing prices of petrol, understanding the technicalities of how this industry works really pays off well. The fourth from bottom on my list is IT manager. IT or tech has been $1 million industry. This is what an IT manager makes annually. The fifth on my list is airlines pilot. Airline industry was the most affected during COVID times, but that is behind us now. And with the growing number of airlines, pilots would be required in near future. So if you enjoy being in the airspace, try becoming a pilot. Becoming a dentist is most caught on trend these days, because dental treatments these days are costing an arm and a leg. If you are keen to make good money out of your profession, dental is for you. Another profession that could make you huge amount of money is being a pediatrician. It's a long-term profession because kids are the apple of their parents' eyes. They are always on to look for the most recommended pediatrics. So try pursuing your education in the field of pediatrics. The second last on my list is gynecology. This is one of the most high-paying professions when it comes to medical stream. I cannot categorize the remuneration. The top on my list is being psychiatrist. With so much of trauma, agony, and so much going on all around the world, this is undoubtedly the most well-paid profession. Understanding the science and human behavior makes it one of the most well-paid jobs. I hope you liked today's video. If you're watching Careervues videos for the first time, do subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you found this video useful. Stay tuned to Careervues for weekly new videos. Thanks for watching.